All new Explorer finished in rapid red. It's a fully electric car. This one's on 20-inch wheels. It also benefits from a heat pump, which if you're not plugged in, helps the car warm up inside much quicker. It also has driver assistance pack, which gives you things like heads-up display and some of the semi-autonomous driving systems. Of course, the new Explorer has an amazing interior, really comfortable, being a select premium. It's got massage seat for the driver along with electric setup, full Google Maps on the pinch and push display, and of course up to 374 miles worth of range. Although this particular car, being the premium, is a 354 mile range car.